Alright, now that we've learned how to tie the Eldridge knot on ourselves, let's learn how to tie it on someone else. Once again, traditional length necktie, and we will begin setting the wide end about 2 inches above our belt line. I'm going to bring the tie even with the placket of the shirt, fold it forward away from the body in half, and then the edges or the wings down, creating a dimple here. Take the narrow end over the top and out the opposite side in a low spiral. Bring this up the neck, through and out the opposite side. We want to keep this as tight as we can here, as well as wrapping the face. We're not tucking down inside at this time, so we're going to keep that as tight as we can as we go up the neck once again. So there's our base for the Eldridge. I'm going to loop this around the back of the knot, up and underneath that loop. And at the same time we're doing that, we're going to bring it down the collar of the neck. Alright, I'll bring that back to the forward view for you. I'm going to pull this one tight, hold that in place. As we pull on the tail, bring that nice and snug. So you can see the layers we're creating right here. We're going to but trace these last two moves exactly. I'm going to up the neck and down, not too tight because we are going to tuck immediately back underneath this one. And take the tail of the tie inside here, and once again we're going to bring it down the neck strap as well. It's just a matter of cinching it in place now. So we're going to pull this tight. So we pull this, and then to cinch up the last loop here, we're going to pull the tail through. You can see we're left with about 3 to 4 inches of excess here. And cinch that up to the collar button, pushing on the knot and pulling the body of the tie down. Excess goes between the neck strap and the collar of the shirt. And as we bring the collar down, we are left with a multi-layered Eldridge necktie knot.